अपने ज़माने के एक बड़े फिलोसोफर ने कभी कहा था, द बेस्ट वे टू फाइंड योर सेल्फ इज़ टू लूज़ योर सेल्फ इन द सर्विस ऑफ अदर्स। यूँ तो ये मैसेज जनरल पब्लिक के लिए था, बट प्रैक्टिकली इट वॉज द बेस्ट कोटेशन फॉर द डॉक्टर्स। डियर मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स, हैव यू एवर ट्राइड टू क्वेश्चन योर सेल्फ दैट वाई डिड यू डिसाइड टू बिकम अ डॉक्टर एंड वॉट डज इट टेक टू बिकम द बेस्ट वन? वो कॉमन रीजंस जिसकी वजह से ऑलमोस्ट हर माँ बाप अपने बच्चे को डॉक्टर बनाना चाहते हैं आर सिक्योरिटी ऑफ द फ्यूचर, सोशल स्टेटस, फेम एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली द मनी। Yes, it is true, a doctor can earn, but at what cost? A doctor is created after experiencing all the difficulties in the life you have heard of. और अगर सिर्फ पैसे ही कमाने हैं, there are far easier ways to achieve those financial successes. और बात अगर जॉब सिक्योरिटी की है, then think again. Are the doctors ever secure? This path of medicine is anything but secure. With sleepless nights, endless examinations, emotional challenges, and the sacrifices during the student life. And once you come in practice, आपका सुकून और चैन पेशेंट के सुकून चैन से अलाइन हो जाएगा. Like, if the patient feels good, you feel good. If the patient feels bad, then you feel bad. All these reasons are valid in their own way, but let's now talk about the real deal. That is, when you stand by the side of the patient. Now, at that time, they don't care about your grades. They don't care about your salary or your fame. What they care about is your knowledge, your dedication, kindness, and your ability to treat him or her as a doctor. So, dear students, holding a degree is not enough. A doctor is crafted with the sole purpose of helping others. Let's talk about the path to reach your ultimate goal of helping others. Number 1. Focus on the journey. Becoming a doctor is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate small milestones along the way. Second, stop getting confused. ये बहुत कॉमन है जिसमें स्टूडेंट को फील होता है कि आज सुबह मैंने पैथो पढ़ी है, then why there is a need of examining a patient in the medicine in the evening ward? Because उसको ऐसा लगता है कि let's talk about the pathology first, let's talk about the microbiology first, and once we are done with it, then we'll switch over to the clinical subjects. But the reality is, the medical studies is designed in a way so that all the dots are connected finally. Third point is embrace sacrifice. Sacrifice in medical field is inevitable. Missing your birthday parties, sleepless nights, and countless hours of study. But remember, these sacrifices pave the way to an impactful future. A very important point, but is very less commonly seen nowadays, is respect your teachers. You see, as a medical student, we think we are smart, और जाने अनजाने में we misbehave. Remember, always respect your teachers, always respect your elders, as those who cannot pay respect to others are devoid of getting it in their entire life. And finally, you have to be empathetic. You see, machine can diagnose, but only a doctor can hold the patient's hand and provide the comfort. So dear students, money, fame, security and status, they are not wrong to aspire to, but they are merely byproducts of a much larger purpose. If you dedicate yourself to truly helping others, everything else will follow naturally. To all the aspiring doctors watching this, remember, you are not just choosing a career, you are choosing a way of life. It is challenging, but it is also incredibly fulfilling. Stay committed to your purpose, keep growing, and always keep the human spirit at the heart of your practice. Don't just treat the disease, you treat people. And that's the most profound impact you can have. I hope it was helpful. Let's inspire each other. Until next time, take care and keep striving for greatness. Always remember, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others.